Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, wishing everyone happy Diwali and happy New Year. Today we are gathered here to felicitate our colleagues who have completed more than 5 years at our APO office. Also, we will be felicitating our colleagues who have completed more than 25 years at our head office. Now, I would request Shantanu sir to please give introduction of our guests to our employees.
Welcome everyone and welcome all the guests who have joined to share our joys. Mihir will introduce them. This is our, I would say, fourth marathon where we have more than 25-30 people for felicitation, and each time we have been more efficient, and I am sure this time will be better than earlier events. But for your information, we are going to office where we have only 2 people to felicitate. We are visiting office and feliciting people rather than calling people at one place. So please participate actively by pressing the emotions button, emoticons button, claps, and after the session is over, we will have 5 minutes if somebody wants to have comments from the terminal. With this, I think, Mihir, you can introduce guests and each one can share their sentiments in 1 or 2 minutes.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I'll start with Mr. Captain Suri from here, from Mikasa Fashions. They are our client. They've been supporting us. We thank you for the support. Then we have
and our neighbor also.
Nahin. They are our neighbors. They are our neighbors.
Nearly your neighbor. Nearly.
Yeah. Then we have Gopika and her father, Mr. Dinesh. They are our clients, Nimbak Fashion on the 10th floor. Then we have Sanjeev Harare sir, who is president of Custom Brokers Association. Then we have Mr. Harish, who is an industry stalwart, EKF. With his daughter now, we work closely in BCBA. We are committee members now in multiple associations together. So they have been industry goodwill support to us for a long time. Then everyone knows Matre and Dipti. They have been. I was surprised to know that we have now been working together for 48 years, which is itself an achievement. So with that, I hand over to Zainab for that.
No, in order, let's have their thoughts.
Yeah, one minute if you all can speak something.
Well, all I can say is it's been a pleasure working with you guys. It has always been exciting. I don't know, somewhere I think down the line we kind of lost touch.
Yes.
But, Gaurish, I think he reconnected back again. And we're always happy with the kind of service that we got, and we would like to start a new chapter again.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. So we're joining the ADC team for such a felicitation for the first time. So we're very excited. But one thing that I'd like to highlight that the ADC support that we have every now and then, we do our exports usually from Ahmedabad, which is the Mundra port that we deal with. But the connection that we have from the Mumbai team and the support we have, especially from Mihi sir, Pravina ma'am, that's great. And we're very happy to be connected with ADC. Hoping that, in the coming years, we can strengthen this relationship.
Any guess since when I've been visiting customers?
Sorry?
Any guess about since when I've been visiting customers?
25 years?
No, since I was 10-year-old.
Oh, okay. Wow. That is very good.
Regularly visiting customers since age of 10.
That's the best insights you can get.
Yes.
So I'm sure there's lots
So
of
that's
it.
what I inherited from my father. Not the knowledge, not the working style, but the connections.
Absolutely.
And I've seen it reflects in your employee also.
Yes.
It's Pravina. Many times she don't leave any chance to correct us.
Yes.
Even business is there or not, because we have some problem in Chennai, call to Pravina, she will discuss and so
Absolutely.
it reflects in your employee also, whatever you are doing with the client.
No, her strength is follow up. Once she decides something, she will follow up till logical end, yes or no,
Yes, excellent.
which is a unique quality
Yes,
nowadays.
But it's a fact, culture is always top down.
Yes,
It always flows from the top to the bottom.
Very well.
Sanjeev, so thank you for inviting us, BCPA, on behalf of BCPA.
Hello.
And on behalf of my entire committee, I extend my heartfelt greetings to the entire ACTC group. It's nice to know that you all are going to be felicitating your, milestone achievements of your team members, those who completed 5 years, 10 years, 15 years and above. And it's definitely a great honor to felicitate them for their loyalty, for their for the hard work that they have given to the organization. And I wish them many more years in this organization and best success to the entire ATC team.
I draw my authority over Sanjeev from his father. His father was appraiser at Air Cargo Complex in early 80s and was amongst the most intelligent officers in customs. Excellent English. The way he wrote note sheet was amazing. His insight in classification, understanding goods was above average, means I would say much above average. So luckily we were his friends, so we never had trouble. But anybody who got in trouble got in genuine trouble because of his intelligence. So we kept relationships all the time, and that's how Sanjeev has been our friend. And I'm talking early 80s, he was at airport. Maybe 82, 83.
Yeah. So in fact, I want to share one anecdote. I entered this profession in 89. And that time, I am a first-time entrepreneur. It's not that I'm taking over from my, father of one generation. And Shantanu, I used to see you in the group occasionally. You used to be very keen on collecting those note sheets.
Yes.
So at that time, I did not realize the significance. But when clients started, telling me, "Khabar do, what's happening at Air Cargo," and then I realized. Few times I went to some note sheets of my own clients where there had been issues. And I realized that that's where you get a 360-degree view of what's happening inside the Air Cargo. Because each importer, whatever issues he faces, and those days in the 80s, we had the toughest import policy. The Appendix 2A, 2B, they were so difficult. Assemblies, sub-assemblies, modules, PCBs, nothing was allowed. Everything you required a specific license, and the duties were 308%. So that was probably the toughest era of
Most
India,
enjoyable.
but most enjoyable. I tell you, the kind of friendships we made during that period, they are still continued, and they are absolutely lasting. So, so that was an anecdote which came to my mind.
Very true. That's what made us.
That was a takeaway
Yeah.
for me. So in fact, sitting with you, there are so many takeaways. Just listening to you, you learn so many things. Thank you for this honor of calling us, and really appreciate it.
Yes.
Yeah, I think already told.
I
got only one
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
I got only one thing from you. What you told me, you are meeting the clients from the age of 10. Yes, still it is reflecting you in your team. Because I don't deal them directly, but anytime in the lift also they discuss it. So it looks like how much customer centric your company is.
Thank you. Pravina will be very excited to hear. She must be hearing outside.
I as you very clearly said, we have been very
मुझे बोला
friends for a long time, but though we are competitors, we have never had anything. Shantanu, by saying is a institute. There are so many goods in him. And one of them that what he's doing is felicitating his colleagues. Now that is something like what he has done in us here also, that he is creating leaders. Those who are 15 years and 25, they have become leaders and they praise the other people. So Santanu's philosophy is going down and down and down into them. Secondly, what I like Shantanu about what he has brought into ATC is the change, accepting the change. Once you start accepting the change, then your recycling of the experiences becomes less. Then you become less and less, but change is very essential. And thirdly, what I have observed into him, and I'm getting down into the heroes, and I'm sure this must be going to his staff also, is that success is never constant. Success is like a rented house, and the rent is to be paid daily. If you don't do that, then you don't become successful like him or like him. That's what I do.
Thanks,
Very
Paresh.
good.
He has been my friend since Air Cargo Association of India. That's way back 35 years. I joined the committee during Baby Shastram, and I think you also joined more or less the same time.
We fought the election also together.
Yes. But first time was without election. I was. मात्र नाही मराठीत बोला मनोहर.
now like
नाही, मराठीत बोला. नाही मल्टीलिंग्वल आहे. मराठीत बोला तुम्ही. एकच मिनिट बोला. पटकन बोला.
मला जे इथे एडीसीला जॉईन होतो 41 वर्षाचा पुढे साहेबांनी मला बोलवलं आणि तेव्हापासून जो मी इकडे आहे ते आणि खूप मला हेल्प केली पुढे साहेबांनी शत्रुघ्न साहेबांनी खूप आणि त्यांच्या ह्याच्यात मी आता एकदम सक्सेसफुल आणि व्यवस्थित ही माझी बुद्धी आहे आता ही सगळं सांभाळ
विकास मात्रे म्हणजे आमच्या इथे कायम ट्रम्प कार्ड म्हणून असायचे. एनी फायर फायटिंग, एनी ट्रबल शूटिंग, एनीबडी ट्रबलिंग अस, ही वॉज अवर ट्रम्प कार्ड.
आणि ह्यांची टीम सुद्धा just one second. His team also in our office sits as if they are ATC team members. Where there is no distinction. Yes.
साहेबांनी जे काय माझ्यासाठी केलं ना ते कधी विसरू शकतो.
Yeah. So actually, I just started associating with ATC, but I have seen my childhood was like calling Chandaru Sahib and everyone. So
मी घरी पण आलोय.
I'm so sorry.
ठीक आहे.
मी घरी पण बऱ्याच वेळा आलोय, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला वाढताना सगळ्यांना पाहिलंय.
So I'm emotional right now.
And she has also shifted. She was not originally from transport
Yeah,
logistics. She
so
has also
I was working with Times of India. So I am a media person. So for last 12 years, I'm working with media companies like Z. Last my job was the Times. So when my baby born, my dad told me, why you want to take so much pressure. And so I was like, okay, let's see, let's start something else. So he's like, at least speak to me. So I just meet him and he's like, what do you want? You want this? Okay, you take it. So it's like that. So we started it and it's been 3 years now. And we achieved a lot. I have seen so many things. And so you can see me right now.
That's the best thing in Shantanu, which has gone to Behave. Behave is becoming a very, very fine boy. Very
आता या मी
You were right. He is becoming.
He has not become you.
All fathers will be
So back,
irrespective whether.
Raina, back to you.
Yeah, but one point is there now when you all say you all joined, the Life in Circle is now Harish Bhai's daughter and me have together joined committee under Dushyant Bhai, our past president, and under Sanjeev sir. So we have started our journey of working for the industry, trade bodies, etc. together.
Raina, back to you for our 25 years award is Manogar.
Yes, sir. So now I would request Mr. Ganesh Davne to express his gratitude.
नमस्कार, मी गणेश दवणे. एटीसी कंपनीमध्ये मी 25 वर्ष पूर्ण केली आहेत. माझ्या या कालावधीमध्ये सहकार्याने, सरकार्याने आणि साहेब वर्गाने मला खूप मदत केली आहे. आज हे पारितोषिक घेताना मला अत्यंत आनंद होत आहे. मी शंतनू सर, भोगे सर, मिहिर सर यांचा फार फार ऋणी आहे. पुढील वर्ष काम असं मी आनंदात करीन. एवढे बोलून मी माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. धन्यवाद.
Now I would request Mr. Sunil Thakur to express his gratitude.
सर नमस्कार, मी सुनील ठाकूर. एक तर खरं तर मी या विकास म्हात्रेमुळे या ATC मध्ये जॉईन झालो. जे पहिले आभार मानेन मी. तसंच आदरणीय शंतनू साहेब, मकरंद साहेब, मीर साहेब यांना माझा नमस्कार. तसा मला पण 25 वर्ष ATC चा गौरव केल्याबद्दल त्यांचा मी आभारी आहे. तसाच मकरंद साहेबांनी मला कधी म्हणजे त्यांच्या घरच्या फॅमिली सारखं मला त्यांची वागणूक दिली. अजून मी त्यांच्याकडे काम करण्यात मला इच्छा आहे आणि ते चालू पण आहे. त्यामुळे त्यांचा देखील आभार आहे माझ्यावर की मला एवढं बोलून मी माझं थांबवतो आणि सर्वांना दिवाळीच्या शुभेच्छा.
Now I would request Mr. Vivek sir to please express his gratitude.
Good afternoon, Namaskar. Thank you all for being here today. This year, 31st of May, I completed my 25 years of my service. As I reflect on these 25 years, I am filled with immense gratitude. The journey has been a blend of challenges, learning, and growth. I have been fortunate to work with supportive colleagues who have made this milestone possible. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to the management. Their encouragement and collaboration have been made a cornerstone of this achievement. Here's to the past 25 years, to the future we continue to build together. Thank you for being part of this amazing journey. Thank you once again to Shantanu sir. Over to you, Zainab.
विवेक, तुला मराठीत न वाचता बोलायचंय का?
नाही, ओके सर.
न वाचता बोल, मनोगत आहे हे.
नाही, मनोगतच होतं सर. असं काय
मनोगत आहे, न वाचता बोल. 1 मिनिट बोल पटकन.
नाही सर, थँक्यू शंतनू सर. तुमच्यामुळे हे सगळं पॉसिबल आहे आणि मॅनेजमेंट.
ठीक आहे, जैनब, बॅक टू यू.
Quickly, I'll just introduce. Aaron has joined us.
Sorry, I am late. Sorry.
No, he is now the man of the moment with Air India becoming what it is. So he's the go-to person in Air India. So welcome, Aaron.
Thank you. Guys. Sorry for my tardiness. So
No,
yes, was headed from office.
no worries. Yeah, Jana.
Congratulations to everyone. Now I would request Shantanu sir to say a few words.
Well, I think he spoke spontaneously while guests spoke. So I have expressed everything spontaneously, and only now I would like to welcome Aaron. We have not met. So these events also give us an opportunity to meet people whom I have missed to meet and I should have met, which includes both of you, him, all of you. So thanks for joining. We always say that joys multiply by sharing. So your participation is so invaluable for me and my colleagues that you are joining our celebrations. So thanks, and Mihir, if you want to conclude.
No, I think we have covered most of the points. This is the main objective of this program, is also that we recognize efforts, and also it's a reminder that the world is changing. We should again re-equip ourselves to learn more. So let's conduct and continue with the program. I think Zainab.
Now the later part will be offline because we have to felicitate 36 people.
Yeah, but some of them are online.
Some of them are online. I think you have some online.
Or
Zainab, some
No.
people were to join online. No?
so online done. End of the
Online done. Online order done.
Good.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is your team in which office?
Head office.
Okay.
It's in Law Parel.
So thanks everyone for joining. And as always, we have been very punctual on this. We have concluded in less than targeted time. So thanks everyone for that. So thanks, and let's conclude by applaud for those whom we are feliciting. Fine, we can go off the web.
All right.
Thank you, everyone.
Here of us will be on one side and our guests should be on other side, and people we are feliciting will come in the center. We will hand over the check and the certificate to them, and people will be joining quickly. So each one would approximately have 3 or 4, and then we move on.
I think it's start.
Frames there, put. Come around, and you can have couple of words. No, you can speak and start.
The senior should be.
No, senior will come. So start.
Awards, sir.
No. We will start with award. You can express your sentiments of joining the program. As Marathi we say manogat. In English we say our just
really-
spontaneous thoughts.
I'm really honored to be given this kind of award, like in this presence of your people. I think when I just started as a junior, I think I was the junior most salesperson
Yes.
who you all have ever seen. So I've grown with you all as a team as well.
Correct.
Even seeing changes. And Madhuri ma'am was there, Neelam
Madhuri
madam.
madam and Aaron, they always used
That we had a relationship, a bond was there, which created my growth also. I saw my growth in them. She retired. I also grew. From Chet, I moved into Etihad, now in Air India. So thank you for all your support, blessings and all for my growth. That's what I have to say.
So Aaron, that has been one of the biggest strengths. Is most people who were reached top in airlines or shipping line actually joined as salesperson normally, and they joined when our father was working and I had just joined or yet to join, and then while they have risen to the top, I enjoy a friendship with them which is nobody can match.
That's same. I had a similar bond.
Same, I think.
Same bond we had also.
As you go and lead the organization, we will still
Thank
be
you.
your friend.
Thank you, sir.
So let's
Good
start.
for that. Thank you. Thank you for your blessings.
Thanks. Start. Oh. Yeah, come.
Come, Aaron.
Harish
Two of them here.
or Aaron.
Then Savan just completed 25. He joined in 1980.
Yeah, side. Congrats. पटकन द्यायचं. Come Anand. We'll have 3 ready. And Somesh मध्ये. I think that will be
That will be
the
better.
best. सोमेश आता फॉर्मल कपडे घालायला लागले आणि बटन करताना पहिल्यांदाच पाहिलं.
असं कार्गोला गेलं मग सोमेशने सगळे शॉक होतील.
दिलीप
You should.
असं असं सरळ.
Senior.
Correct. Thank you.
I think there are 30 so they should change.
Yeah. All the best. Yeah, Harish, join. Harish,
Although they have completed 20-25 years, they are looking the youngest.
no, they are all 25 right now.
Yes, they are all looking the youngest actually.
Yeah, need it.
And And दिनेश भाई आ जाओ नहीं मैं तो रहूंगा यहाँ कम यूर तो
No, it's all right. Please continue.
चलो congratulations ठीक ठीक है
मिलेंगे तो सब पहचान
संदेश महाडिक.
हाँ
ये 2025
रश्मी रहाटकर. संदीप रेवाड़े.
ठीक है
No, please go ahead.
congratulations
गणेश करंदीकर.
जॉईन हो पटकन
या नेक्स्ट राउंड आहे
पटकन आहे गणेशला घ्यायचं असेल तुझ्या बरोबर
आता काय घ्यायचं हा प्रश्न. गणेश.
शंकर यादव.
प्रेम अशी सरळ उभी धरा जास्त चांगली दिसते तिरकी नका स्ट्रेट धर स्ट्रेट धर
थोडे द्या
हिरामण वेलोडे.
इथे असं धर संजय
दीपक तळेकर. Mr. Rakesh will receive award on his behalf. शिल्पा मुंडे.
कॅप्टन हे दीपक तळेकर अच्छा
रमेश पाटील. पांडुरंग खांडेकर.
थोड़ा स्लो है
मोनिका आहिरे.
नहीं एप्पल थोड़ा स्लो है
Hold it. Thank you.
कुमार सेन बोले.
हा ऑर्गनायझर आहे. कुमार सेन इज द मेन ऑर्गनायझर ऑफ दिस इव्हेंट. ऑर्गनायझर इन चीफ म्हणायचं.
प्रवीणा वाडकर.
Here जा. Good Pravina, people were talking about you when
just a second let me clarify all good things
Congratulations. Thank you, sir. शुभदा सावंत.
अरे ऐसा there are
quite a few still more long.
नितीन लोणे.
Normally categories are
अमित अगाटे.
नहीं it is 25 20 15 10
Right now we are awarding 5 to 10 years.
everybody
That's the-
we have about living
Started by 10 or 10 years bigger. So maybe other people also started by
except for us. We should have shared it before. Leaving us, the directors, we have 27 above 25 years and 168 above 5.
wonderful
That's how we have.
And there are another number. There are, I think now, last I counted, 17 or 18 people who are second or third generations. Yeah, their
Oh.
fathers also or their grandfathers work with us.
Very nice. That's it.
He's there.
creativity
there are one more.
you know when you say
Living on site.
long service
Yes.
it's I would not say it is anything related to loyalty. It is because of a culture that they have created on their own with your help, of course.
Yes.
And that culture bonds them together.
Yes.
It's a fantastic. I think that's how.
Culture and safety net.
That of course.
नितिन जाधव.
His father also used to work with us.
Congratulations. Gita Sridharan.
Straight. Hold it straight like this. Straight.
रसिका बामणे. गौरेश प्रभू.
Anand, come now. Come here. All the best.
Yeah, you also come. Come. Yeah, put it.
Come.
फोटो में ऐसा नहीं
You be after her. You be next to her. Anand, be next to her. Come here. No, next. Stand next to her.
Miss Avita will collect on behalf of Mr. Sunil Desai.
Yeah.
अनंत पासून यांच्या वतीने अनंत सुमरे घेते. पूर्वा ठाकूर यांच्या वतीने धनश्री घेते. शालमली शेख.
शाल्मलीचा परमनंट रोल हा मॉडरेटरचा आहे, कॉम्पियरचा आहे आणि मग मधनं अकाउंट बघते.
अनिकेत मयेकर. दीपक आंगणे. I have one question.
Yes.
Who is the newest one?
Newest, I think him.
Who
He'll be the newest.
you will be the newest? How long?
How long has it?
When did you join? I think this week or
Yeah, this week. Right.
And before him,
who's the
I think Damini.
Damini and Joseph? I think both of them same time. 2 months or 3 months? 3 months.
Anand, why I called is Manogat. Manogat is speak from heart. Now that we are holding such a program in office, you sit every day in Hindi, chaste Hindi, which we can't understand. Express your sentiments. 2 minutes or 1 minute, quick.
ये बड़े गर्व और आनंद दोनों की बात है कि शांतनु सर के हाथों से आप लोगों को 25 मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म सर्विसेज के लिए आप लोगों को पुरस्कृत किया गया है. इट इज बोथ प्राइड एंड
हिंदी
गर्व और आनंद दोनों की बात है. इसका सबसे बड़ा कारण ये है जो जैसे भी किसी सर ने बताया है कि एटीसी का फैमिली कल्चर और मैनेजमेंट का सहयोग, इनकी वजह से ही ये आप लोग कर पाए. और एक चीज आई वुड लाइक टू से, इट इज माय प्लेजर, आई एम लकी टू वर्क विद लिविंग लेजेंड शांतनु सर. ही इज हिमसेल्फ इंस्टीट्यूटेड इन हिमसेल्फ सर. और आप लोग सही में लकी है फॉर वर्किंग इन एटीसी.
Thank you.
can we ask this youngster when you join?
Yeah.
What do they feel about the culture?
Yeah. Joseph, good idea.
Yes,
Very
that's
nice
why we
idea.
called Harish.
Yes.
See, Harish sir wants to know, as you have joined newly and you are participating in this event, what are your immediate thoughts? Harish मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं. एटलीस्ट 35 ईयर से हम अकाई के कमेटी में साथ में थे और बहुत हमारी गहरी दोस्ती इनसे. तो वो जानना चाहते हैं कि अभी हमने 25 साल के ऊपर से लेके 5 साल के ऊपर तक का जो एक फेलिसिटेशन किया, तो आप नए ज्वाइन किए हैं, तो ये अभी समारोह में जो आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, तो आपके इमीडिएट थॉट्स क्या है वो 1 मिनट में समझे, ऐसा उनका कहना है. करेक्ट. So address people quickly.
I think 1 minute each can take.
So what I think is it's a 1957 year this company was formed, and since then all the employees, they were still contributing their good well-being in this company. So I think this long association of employment is what ATC is all about. But मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूं?
Your choice.
Your choice.
Your choice.
Okay. तो आप लोग इतना सालों से जो जुड़े हैं ATC के साथ, तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे जैसा सर करेक्टली बताया कि द मैनेजमेंट का जो सपोर्ट है और डेफिनेटली द कल्चर ऑफ ATC इज व्हाट मेड ऑल एवरीबडी टुगेदर. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे ही हम लोग भी एज न्यू जॉइनीज वी कैन एक्सटेंड आवर कल्चर ऑफ कमिटमेंट फॉर लॉन्ग ईयर्स टू कम.
That it is a very great initiative that no companies take actually. Even if you go to some of the big MNCs, they don't follow this culture. So it is a great initiative ATC has taken.
Now, also what you experienced in 2 months, 3 months,
Great people.
your experience meeting. Quickly on that also you all can.
Great people and full of expertise. So I am willing to learn from them and also share my knowledge as well.
I think we remembered first, I think my observation of you was, he was one of the first new joiners who repeatedly asked questions. When I used to sit on the desk, he was asking everybody how this has to be done, what should I do. So that is also excellent quality to have.
Yes, very good quality.
Feeling good, like gaining many
सामने सामने देखो उधर कैमरा है.
I can learn more things like as a fresher from sales background, I'm trying to learn new things. Which, yeah.
This is a nice recommendation. This is a good start with the oldest and then some input from the
They
newer.
must know that. Yes, the thing is,
So we
what
are
you
ahead
use
of
the-
time.
what you use
Girish,
the
would
word
you like to
employment.
sum up?
I don't think it's an employment. It's like in colleagues. I can see people so well. He knows each one by name. He knows each one by name. So it's that.
Would you like to sum up? We are ahead of time. Which is
also,
good.
that environment is in your company side. Everybody has it. नमस्कार, मी मला वाटतं मी मराठीत बोलीन. तर त्यामुळे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना जसं आपले इथे बोलले की सगळ्यांना अभिमानाचा हा एक प्रसंग आहे, हा एक माइलस्टोन आहे प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यात आणि जनरेशनमध्ये. तर जे कोणी नवीन आहेत त्यांनी याच्यातनं शिकावं. दे शुड ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम व्हॉट एव्हर द कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन. And as rightly what Anand has also said, he is an institute by himself. I mean, we also learn a lot of things. We also day in, day out, perfection, quality, how to work, what culture you should maintain when we deal with a lot of agencies, customs, be it any of the agencies which we meet. There are a lot of deliberation, discussions, case studies, so which we get into
And
it.
fearless.
And fearless, absolutely. Because we need not have to fear. Because we have the company which is basically without any hanky-panky, without anything which we deal with. So that is one thing. I mean, as good as recently there was on DRI, kind of a thing which was there in our office. And the two girls, the way they managed it, amazing. Because they did not have the fear because they know what they are, which company they are working, what culture we belong to. So therefore, this is the kind of a upbringing, the things which we should, collect from this. Thanks a lot.
I have already discussed with Dushyant and introduced them, and BCBA should showcase these girls to all the members. They dealt with DRI fearlessly, right from holding them at entrance, not allowing them in before checking their credentials, dealing with them firmly. And when I asked that girl who held them, she said, "We have police in our family, so that is from childhood, that is how we have been." The next girl who dealt with our taxation, and she was the one who was replying on custom matters, though she is from account
Indirect
side,
tax.
indirect taxes and not customs. So when she was very firm, she went on website, saw their name, and they see that okay, this identity card is also correct. And he repeatedly asked while leaving, why you didn't feel pressurized. So when he said in English, he was quiet. When he asked again in Hindi, her reply was, "It's organization. I know everything is correct." That's how I wasn't prepared. And as a result, the matter didn't escalate. They were checking about directors, so matter never got escalated. So you should showcase, and entire industry should be fearless. So when I said target bigger things, this is among the bigger things I think we should target as industry. Total fearlessness with authorities. So with this, I think we come to conclusion, and the last pleasant part, Mihir, go ahead and felicitate all our guests. Normally we start event with felicitation of the guests, but we thought this is a family program, so this should be the last.
No, you did good because they are the
Yes, yes. And this is a family event. Yes, we didn't make it formal. Otherwise, we make it very formal. So, Giri, start quickly.
Yeah. Maybe like Mr. Dinesh. They have stopped giving bouquets, flowers. So this is a copy of Bhagavad Gita. And thank you for making this.
This is traditional parad. बरोबर है ना? Traditional parad.
I understood your question.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Captain, thank you for making this occasion special.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And American Dry Fruit is our customer. And they are our customer because of our alum. Our former employee joined them and he immediately brought the business. And that is how we have grown. Either the staff of our customers or our staff joining somewhere else.
Growth is always on a relationship.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sandeep.
आणि संजीवची बाहेर आज सांगितलं मी त्याच्याकडनं शिकायचं म्हणजे पंक्च्युअलिटी. He is never 15 minutes before the program. He is 30 minutes before the program. Invariably, and that has changed culture in BCBA.
Yes.
Everybody starts coming early because he already is there 30 minutes before the event. So that footmark you have already kept. So there are many more we expect from you.
Even today's program, he said like 1:45, 1:45, he'll be coming, but 1:30 before I could come, he was there.
Even Harish bhai.
So that is not abnormal. That is normal. Harish bhai.
Yeah, Harish bhai is also very punctual.
Yes.
Thank you, Harish bhai.
And he has asked me to share that he is the youngest over here.
Undoubtedly.
Come, Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you.
Aaron, did you have posting in Delhi?
Yes.
So this is the inspiration to have posting in Delhi. All the monuments of Delhi. So when you get posted in Delhi, you would have known better than them.
Thank you.
And this is a coffee table book, so keep it on your table.
Certainly, sir.
Yeah.
Really. Matre. Thank you.
बोला बोला.
मला बरोबर इकडे 48 वर्ष झाली. मी एटीसी हे माणूस नाही, घरच माणूस आहे. आता हे तुम्ही सगळे मी बघतोय ना, ते सगळे नवीन नवीन आहे. ते मला वाटते 4-5 जण मला ओळखत असतील. नाहीतर आमचा जुना स्टाफ होता एवढा, म्हणजे तुम्ही पण चांगले आहात, एवढा सुंदर होता की आम्ही सगळं, म्हणजे कंपनी ही कधी बघितलीच नाही, मोठ्या साहेबांनी कधी दाखवलंच नाही, सगळ्यांना घरचं मानलं. तसंच त्यांच्या पावलापावलं ह्या साहेबांनी केलं. कळलं, मला आनंद आहे. माझी छोटी रिक्षा होती, टेम्पो 76 मी घेतली. मला सिन्हाने आणलं साहेबांकडे.
BN सिन्हा.
हा, सिन्हाने आणलं, साहेबांची ओळख करून दिली. तर मी ती चालवत होतो, तर साहेबांनी सांगितलं आता इकडे तू आलायच माझ्याकडे, जायचं ना तेव्हापासून मी आलो नाही. मला ह्या साहेबांनी विचारलं, अरे हे काय हातगाडी चालवतोय, मोठी गाडी घ्या. आणि मला मोठी गाडी घेऊन दिली. आणि तेव्हापासून मी इकडे अजून मी कुठल्याही कंपनीचं कुठलंही काम घेतलेलं नव्हतं आणि घेणार पण नाही. आणि आता माझं 73 वय चालू आहे. थँक्यू.
टुडे they say की सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर शुड बिकम पार्टनर्स, बट हा खरा कन्सेप्ट तुमच्याकडनं पण आणि आपला आहे. वेअर व्हॉट मल्टीनॅशनल ग्लोबली दे टॉक अबाउट पार्टनरशिप. आलं नाही ना?
अरे यांच्यामुळे मी आहे.
थँक्यू फॉर नाही संतोष डायरेक्ट नाही आले का?
कोण नाही आलं?
संतोष पाटील.
तो इकडे येणारच होती नाही. हा संतोषच देतोय. थँक्यू फॉर मेकिंग इट. संतोष पण that team member is like a in-house ATC person.
He's sitting every day.
त्याचे पण झाले का?
का नाही आला तो?
हो जरा
I think we are done with the program. Thank you and congratulations.